this side, we have right here the hand wheel, and then the stitch selector wheel, and then the power button. Then we have the bobbin winder, the bobbin stopper, the stitch length, stitch width, the spool pin, the handle, and here's where you can see which stitch pattern you're selecting. And
alright, and here is the tension. This is the bobbin guide, and this is the thread guide. Down here is the this is the faceplate, and here is the cutter right here. Down here is the bobbin case and the bobbin, the presser foot, feed dogs, and presser foot lever there. Okay, and the reverse switch
for the thread.